welcome to another week here. As you can see, the weather's taken a little turn for the worse. Now, I've been in the UK and just got back. I didn't really want to take you on my dog walk because it was pretty grim out there. So what I thought I would do is start by showing you what Aidan got up to whilst I was away. And so this is the finished bag, and that's a nice little tie. Just go around there. With a couple of pieces that are left, I'm going to make Christmas trees. Percy! Percy! Get out of the chicken coop. You're a cat, not a chicken. Come on out. There's birds in there. Oh, well, a cat will be a cat, I suppose. Percy! Percy! Well, this morning, Aidan is back, and that means we're going on a dog walk together, but also, because Aidan's back, that means that Toby goes off the lead. I got a pair. "11-year-old puppy you are, aren't you?" And so this goes on for quite a while. Percy has eventually left the chicken coop and joined us. Maybe we'll find the other cat en route, but he deserved that. Tormenting him. He's decided it's time to stop and actually eat the apple.
You've stolen that from David, haven't you? His tree's got the big red apples on it. Whatever we decide. So
this is the finished work, what you did while I was...
But this wall can have a step in it. We can just win back 10 centimetres.
Oh, like, so it's thicker here, thinner up here. No, I'm exaggerating that.
No, thicker that way from the toilet.
Oh, the ensuite bit and the toilet being a thicker wall
10 centimetres that way.
With you.
And this wall can just come 10 centimetres
so
back.
we're losing 10 centimetres into the bedroom.
Yeah.
Well, it's still big enough, isn't it, really?